We're at the Puget Sound. Do you know what a sound is? Body of water of some sort?
I guess.
The only thing I know about the Puget Sound, it's where they capture orcas to sell into captivity at SeaWorld. Does that sound accurate? It may or may not.
I don't know anything about it. Hey Kev, we're on an adventure today. We're getting cultured. Are you ready to get cultured?
Dude, I know about culture.
What do you know? All right, that just answered every question I've ever had about you. Okay, but hot tip. You're coming in hot. So in Seattle, Washington, there's a lot of museums because culture is here. On the first Thursday of every month, a bunch of them are free. So we are gonna go check those out. Our first stop is the Burke Natural History Museum. Kev's most excited for this because he's into natural history, dinosaurs. What else is included in that?
Cavemen?
Cavemen.
Possibly Ice Age type crap. All that good stuff.
Okay. Well, I'm not so much, but we're doing it anyways. That's kind of the theme of our life right now.
You don't think you could navigate that? There you go. Yeah, you could do it.
There's a bunch of gross stuff in this museum. That's like all there is.
How'd you like that pub that we went to?
I loved it.
Of course, we went with the shrimp tacos. They were delicious. They had that wall with all the famous Scottish celebrities. Hagrid and Loch Ness Monster, the most popular of them all, most likely.
Yeah,
But
sure.
unfortunately, we cut our house sit short. They got COVID and we had to skedaddle, but we found maybe the coolest beach in all of the Puget Sound, right?
I know, it is. It's like a magical little hotspot. I've never even heard of it.
The sailboats coming in and out all day is just awesome. All the people having fun in their, just their little sail doohickeys. All different kinds of sailboats.
Yeah, look, there's tons of fish jumping. Do you see them?
I don't see them.
Look at what's out there.
Oh, yep.
You see them jumping?
But I don't know. I think I'd love to live here, just kayaking across this thing.
Wow, this is like unexpected. I didn't think you would find anywhere in Washington that you wanted to live.
Well, those are the Olympus Mountains over there.
Yeah.
I would kayak over there to camp in the Olympus Mountains for sure.
I lay out at the beach all the time while I'm waiting for you to come back.
We might camp here, we might camp in them hills up above us, wherever we're permitted, but this is where we're staying tonight.
I like it.
I like
It's cozy.
it too. This is where we stayed last night. It's called Golden Garden Park. This is a fun beach. It's got a bike path. We're gonna stay here for a couple more days because we don't have to be to West Seattle until next week sometime.
So we're just checking out all the local beaches, staying close to the water. Yeah, because we're all about summer.
That's impressive. There you go. Perfect.